Well, look at that. The Jeep tires are bigger than my 28s for the Challenger. Old Challenger covered. The old Lexus is covered. The Jeep is covered. Man, look at this.
Major pressure.
Uh-oh. I got home and the surprise was here. Yes, sir. Five of them big jokers, baby, 35. So y'all know we going 22s on the Jeep Wrangler. I just put them by these 28s though. It's almost the same size as my 28s. Bring one back over here. It's cold. Yes, sir. Compared to that mud tires on the Challenger, what's up? Yeah, it's gonna go down. Yeah, it's about to go down on the Jeep, baby. But I'm gonna get these in the crib, so part one is done. Now we gotta wait for the rims to get here. Don't know when that will be because they are shipping those out from California. So, like I said, we got all five. You gotta get five if you putting them on the Jeep, you know, you gotta have that fifth wheel. The weather been stopping everything pretty much. The rims just now shipped out today. Today is the 15th, February 15th. So I mean the rims just got shipped. So hopefully they'll get here this week, but depending on how this weather is, I don't know. That's what's been throwing everything off, but the tires did come. So like I said, I'm gonna show you all the tires real quick. That's what this video is. Go over the tires, show y'all this little snow outside, and quick update. So the Jeep Wrangler, rims, tires ordered. Tires are here now, still waiting on the rims. Lift kit is still in the box. So I still haven't had time to do that yet because I gotta pull the vet out of the garage to, you know, put the Jeep in and start working on it. So check these tires out. Oh, vet, baby. But the crazy part is, guys, hold on, give me 1 second. Gotta put my shoes on, man. Forgot how cold that garage is. My water stopped, so I had to go outside and heat the pipes up. It's been crazy. But, so that's why this is right here. Had to use the heat gun, and it worked perfect. So luckily that worked like it should. But you know, I still got a 28-inch tire in here for the Challenger. Another one, which is right here, 28-inch tire. 35-inch tire for the Jeep. And you can tell how much, like how close they are of being the same thing. Like these are almost the same size, man. So pretty much on that Jeep, we about to be riding 28s, might as well say. Yeah, I mean, it ain't too much different. Let's do them side by side. Well, look at that. The Jeep tires are bigger than my 28s for the Challenger. Y'all see this mess? Look at this. Look at this, man. That's crazy. I didn't know they were that much bigger. See, I was thinking that might have been the same size, but you can really tell how much taller the 35s are over my 28s for my Challenger. So we might as well say we riding 30s on the Jeep, you know, and that's what we pretty much are looking like. These are 28s. These are 35-inch tires. You know, these are rubber bands on the Challenger with a 28-inch rims. And these rims would be 22s for the Jeep. But just looking at that tire, how big it is, that's crazy to me, man. How wide are they? They might be about the same. I don't know what y'all think. Is this tire wider than a Challenger tire? Y'all can hear the snow. Y'all hear the snow? We're gonna walk out there in a minute because I gotta go pick my girl up. But look at this though. This is a big tire. That is a big tire, man. Like, I did not expect for it to be this much taller than the Challenger. Woo! And you know we got 5. We got one here. We got one here. We got the other 3 over here. Look, the garage is, man, look. Snow trying to get in under the garage. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. But yeah, like I said though, like that's really, I wasn't expecting that. That just shocked me for real. So the Jeep tires are bigger than the. See, I'm trying to put how to say it because the rims are bigger because I got 28s on the Challenger and I'm gonna have 22s on the Jeep. But the setup, I'm gonna say setup. So the setup of the Jeep will be taller than the setup on the Challenger. So like I said, 35-inch tires, and these are the like the hybrid tires. So they are between the mud tires and the road tires. So I got the best of both worlds. They won't be real loud, but I still get, you know, grip everything when I need to grip it. So like I said, that's that hybrid version of it. It's a little bit more expensive, but I don't have to worry about the road noise, like, you know, just hearing that over and over, all that, you know. I want a quiet ride still, but still for it to look, you know, aggressive, I guess, you know. But stay tuned though for the pick my fiance up. Let y'all see this snow, and it's coming down hard. And we're gonna come back to the crib and relax because it's cold outside. But hit that subscribe button right now. Appreciate y'all for still watching videos, man. The Jeep build is starting soon. We got the tires, we got the lift kit. We got some of the tools. Well, we got the lugs and the lug nuts, you know, that we need. So those are the locks, what I meant to say. Y'all ready? Oh, y'all ready for it? I mean, like, it's to the door, man. Like, it's at the foot of the door. Like, yes, like, and it's deep. Yes, I got a big jacket on. I think I done had this coat since I was like in high school. Look, they trying to get all in the garage. Yes. Woo! Old Challenger covered. The old Lexus is covered. The Jeep is covered. Man, look at this. Like, I'm falling in here. Woo! Yeah, that's thick stuff. That is some thick stuff there. It's snowing like a mop. Yeah, it's coming down. You can't even tell where the road is, man. Dude got a boost. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and start all the cars up to make sure. And Lexus might not start though. Woo. This stuff is thick, man. It's so cold. I can't. It won't make no ball. Oh, it's so cold. I'm gonna get these keys. Got to quick start everything up. Hopefully it starts. Alright, let me see what keys we got. See what the Challenger gonna do. Woo! Hey, it had a drag. Did y'all hear the little drag it had? It almost didn't. Now this thing here, I don't even think this gonna do anything. Man, look how deep. Oh my God. Like my foot is in the snow. I'm gonna do it from this side. But I don't think it's gonna make it. Uh-oh. Nah, I don't wanna open that door up. Might not make it, guys. Woo-wee! Look at this mess. Jesus Christ. Ah, it's so cold. I don't think so, y'all. Ah, it almost did. Well, the Lexus is dead, so we're not gonna boost this off until this stops. Go start the vent up. Woo-wee! Let this garage up, so we're gonna kill ourselves. Oh yeah, let me let this garage up before we end up dying. But hit that subscribe button, man. It was just a quick video. See y'all when the rims come. I'm gonna unbox this crazy dude here. I'm gonna unbox the rim when they get here, but it's all good.